up? My name is Haley. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you did not know, now you do. Hey you guys, what's up? So in today's video, y'all, as you can tell from the title and thumbnail, I'm going to be doing an unboxing. This is most likely going up after Christmas. These are the things that I got myself for Christmas. Well, it's like a collective gift. Like I said, if you watch any of my other videos, you know that I like pooling my holiday money together and buying one big gift. And so this is what today's video is going to be. If you watched any of my other videos, you know what bag this is going to be. But for the people that have not and that are new here, hello, can I get a like? Can I get a subscribe? Can I get a thumbs up or something? I don't know. And you can let me know what you got for Christmas. If you got any of the same items that I did, there are only 2 items in this unboxing, but I think it's enough. So yeah, we can get right into it. I'm gonna start with the smaller unboxing, which was from Saint Laurent, you guys. This was just something that I picked up very spontaneously, but there's a reason behind it because I need not a new one, just an additional one than what I already have. I don't have this from Saint Laurent, but I do have it from Louis Vuitton. So it comes like this. I think you guys know what it is though, pretty sure. What else is in there? My receipt. This is what the receipt looks like. This is a cute little bag. It was a little uncomfortable to carry though, I'm not going to lie. You open, it's up. How do you open this up? I think it should just slide, yep, off. And let me know if you guys know. 1, 2, 3, oh. You guys still aren't gonna see it. It's gonna take a while. This is a care booklet, which pretty funny that they give this for this tiny little thing. And then you take it out. It comes in its little dust bag, which I think is also really cute. I can put jewelry in here. And then you, it is the YSL monogram card holder in black. I wanted pink, but they were sold out of pink, which is no big deal. Black goes with more. And I also think gold on black is a beautiful color combination. The reason I got this is because I have the Louis Vuitton monogram card holder and it's full, and I prefer card holders over wallets, like having multiple card holders instead of having one big wallet. I don't know, some people prefer having a big long wallet with like a coin purse and all that good stuff. I don't like carrying that. I just like having stuff for my cards and money and then just putting them in my bag. And I also keep particular cards in particular slots, and so separating them both for me is more ideal. So I can keep my ID cards here and like my credit cards, debit cards in the other one. I actually bought this like 2 or 3 years ago, I believe, maybe 2, and I returned it and it was a little bit cheaper. I think it was like 40 bucks cheaper 2 or 3 years ago. So I feel really dumb returning it because I bought it anyways and now it was more money. But yeah, I like it. It's cute. I think it matches me, and black and gold, you can't go wrong. So woohoo, thank you Saint Laurent. It's going right in its little dust bag until I can decide which cards I want to put in it and rearrange my stuff. Now, like I said, if you've watched any of my videos, you already know what this is, but I wanted to talk first. Let me take it out of the box, the bag. It's heavy, you guys. It's so heavy. Oh my gosh. What the lady gave me at Louis Vuitton, it's hilarious, y'all. I don't know if you can see this. These are cookies. And I'm gonna eat one because I'm excited. If I get candy or sweets, oh my gosh, from a store, oh my gosh. They're like little butter vanilla cookies. That cookie was very good. Oh my gosh. Okay, sorry for eating in y'all's faces and chewing in y'all's faces. But anywho, here is the box. It sounds very awkward inside, but the lady said she was gonna pack it up really nice and stuff. So I was like, okay, thank you. So I'm really scared. Like, she even made the bow really pretty. Oh, I should take a picture of this, shouldn't I? And I bought this from the Louis Vuitton store, like the big store in my city. I usually go to the one that's in like the department store only because I like the people. They're a little bit more personal, like personable, and they're just nicer, and I have a better shopping experience there. My shopping experience at the big store was decent. At first, the lady was like, not unprofessional. I don't want to say rude because she wasn't rude. She was just unprofessional. But later on, like talking to her and like feeling her out, she was very nice, and she went I feel like above and beyond, even like with the little cookies and stuff. I felt she redeemed herself. I had a decent shopping experience. Everyone else was amazing. The store was clean, perfect, pristine, and yeah, this is what it looks like. I'm gonna try to unbox it without ruining this bow. And yeah, I wish me good luck. So let's see. I think you can just slide it off, right? If I'm not mistaken. Oh, yeah, it comes out really easily. So then I can like repackage it if I want to do like an unboxing on Instagram or something. Okay, so you guys ready? You guys already know what it is. I feel like half of you guys are already gonna know what it is, but y'all, the lady gave me, wait, I have to show you everything that she gave me. Hold on. Ooh. I got so many samples of perfume, you guys. I got, let's see, VUITTON. I got Millefeuille. I don't know how to pronounce these, if I'm pronouncing it right. Millefeuille again. Matier Noir. VUITTON and Attrape Rivi. I can't pronounce these things, you guys, but I got a whole bunch of samples. This is really nice. Awesome. Thank you, lady. And then, y'all, wait. I got a Louis Vuitton, the book, it says, magazine. I don't know, this is really cool. It has like, wait, this is what it looks like. Oh my, it has really interesting stuff. It's in German, so I can't tell you, like I could explain it to you guys, but before I get on here and speaking German to you guys, what it is about, it's just a whole bunch of different stuff through the times of Louis Vuitton. It talks about the history. I don't know, I'm pretty sure if you have the English version of this magazine or book, you will know what's inside. But it's really cool. It's really pretty. I don't know if you guys can see that. I've never gotten one of these before. The lady might have redeemed herself. Really good, what is it, sales associate. Okay, come through, lady. And so inside, you guys, it's like this. She also put like paper and wrapped it in there really pretty. Oh, I'm really excited. They made it so nice today. I've never had an unboxing so nice and so perfectly wrapped and so everything. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. This is what it looks like, y'all. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Look at it. Look at it. Oh. Y'all, we need a moment. Like I say all the time, I need a moment to look her over and to see everything. Oh my goodness. There's like stickers on all of the gold and metal and stuff, and this is my baby, you guys, my new baby. Oh my gosh, I love this. Let me open her. The magnet is so smooth. The inside, I think, is a suede microfiber, maybe. I think so, right? That looks like suede. Feels like suede. This is what the interior looks like. You can't really tell on the camera. I'm thinking I'll include close-ups or something for you guys, but let's close it. Do you hear that? Oh, it's so heavy. It's so wonderful. So, you guys, as you can tell, let me hold it properly. This is the Mini Dauphine. A lot of people are confused by this name. I asked for the Mini Dauphine, and she brought me the wallet on chain, I believe, or the Mini Dauphine on a chain. I don't know if it's called wallet on chain. And I said, no, I want the one like one step bigger. And she's like, oh, well, this is the mini, you want the bigger one. And I was like, I don't want the large one, I just want the one that's like in the middle of these two sizes. And she's like, oh, well, that's not the mini. And I was like, I didn't say anything. I don't like being corrected, especially when I know like straight in my face that it's called the Mini Dauphine. That's what it's called on the website. So when she brought it, I was like, well, could you please tell me the name of the bag in case I need to look it up? But if you're like me and you like this bag and you go to look at it and you call it the Mini, this is not the first time that it has happened to me that someone has said that this is not the Mini, that the other one, the wallet on chain, is the Mini. Just say you want the one in the middle. Just say you want the middle one, because apparently that works a lot better than saying the Mini Dauphine, because a lot of people bring you the wallet on the chain. Even though on the website it says Mini Dauphine, and even on their little, I don't know, iPad or iPhone that they have, it says Mini Dauphine. But I'm not here to argue. This is what it looks like, you guys. I'm so freaking excited about this bag. I think I'm excited about all my bags that I get, but this bag, you guys, this is like a nice little piece of heritage to me. I don't remember who made this or who, like, it was inspired by an older bag, and I can't pronounce his name. I think his name was like Nicholas, and he reinvented the old Dauphine, which I think was in the 70s, and he said, hey, let's make it a little bit more modern and put it out into the world. And this is what came out of it. There's a bigger version, but for me it's a little too big. Like, I love small bags, I love mini bags, and I can fit my camera in here, I can fit my phone in here, my card holders, some of my lipsticks and like makeup products and all that good stuff. So it's like I don't need anything else, and I have other bags that fulfill the purpose of needing like a lot of things. And so I just like this so much. I think it looks so classy and elegant, but still like modern and in a sense a little edgy, because I don't feel like I'm a very classy or elegant person. I feel like I'm a little on the rough side, but I still like nice things. I know for a lot of people it's not their cup of tea. Everyone has told me like, I can't believe you like that bag, it's so ugly. It looks very grandma-esque, but for me, I love it. I don't care if it looks grandma-esque, then I am a grandma. I will embrace my inner and outer grandma-esque-ness. So yeah, this is the bag, you guys. I might do a review on it later in a few weeks when I've carried it, when I've had it, when I've put stuff in it, when I can show you what fits inside and all that good stuff. But this is what it looks like, and this is what I got for Christmas, and I am 1000% over the moon and back, probably all the way to Pluto and back, happy about this purchase. And they also told me, which they've never told me before at Louis Vuitton. She's the first ever sales associate that told me there was like a 2-year warranty and a 10-year repair, I think, time frame for the bag. Meaning if I wanted to repair certain things on the bag after the 2-year warranty is up, I would be charged, which is perfectly fine, but they would still be able to do that. And they've never told me that with any of my other bags before. I thought that was interesting. But yeah, this is the bag. This is my Christmas gift, and also the YSL card holder, but I feel like the YSL card holder in comparison to this is not that exciting. So yeah, that's it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this bag, or if you want this bag, or if you have this bag, you can let me know in the comment section. And like I said, you can let me know what you got for Christmas as well. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, you guys. Have a wonderful day, and bye.